Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of psychology. Today, we'll explore the intricacies of small talk. Have you ever found yourself struggling to engage in those casual conversations? You're not alone. In this video, we'll discuss the psychology behind small talk and explore who tends to excel at it and who may find it challenging. Let's get started. Section 1. Defining small talk. Before we dive into the psychology of small talk, let's define what it actually is. Small talk refers to the light and casual conversations we engage in with acquaintances, colleagues, or strangers. It often revolves around neutral topics like the weather, current events, or weekend plans. Small talk serves as a social lubricant, helping to establish connections and maintain relationships. Section 2. Those who excel at small talk. Some individuals seem naturally skilled at small talk, effortlessly navigating conversations with ease. Let's explore who tends to excel at this social art. Extroverts. Extroverted individuals gain energy from social interactions, making them more comfortable initiating and participating in small talk. They thrive in group settings, enjoy meeting new people, and are skilled at keeping conversations flowing. Socially confident individuals. Those with high levels of social confidence find it easier to engage in small talk. They possess a positive self-image, have developed social skills, and are less prone to self-consciousness or anxiety in social situations. Highly empathetic individuals. Empathy plays a crucial role in small talk. People who excel at it can read others' emotions and respond accordingly. Their ability to listen actively and ask thoughtful questions creates a sense of connection during conversations. Section 3. Challenges with small talk. While some people thrive in small talk scenarios, others may find it challenging or uncomfortable. Let's explore who might struggle with small talk. Introverts. Introverted individuals, while often highly skilled at deep and meaningful conversations, may find small talk draining. They prefer more substantial interactions and may feel exhausted by the superficial nature of small talk. Socially anxious individuals. People with social anxiety may struggle with small talk due to fear of judgment or saying the wrong thing. Their heightened self-consciousness can make it difficult to relax and engage in casual conversations. Language or cultural barriers. Small talk often relies on cultural references and shared language. Individuals who are new to a language or unfamiliar with cultural norms may find it challenging to engage in small talk until they become more comfortable and proficient. Section 4. Strategies for improving small talk skills. If you find small talk difficult, fear not. There are strategies you can employ to improve your skills and feel more comfortable in social situations. Let's explore a few tips. Active listening. Engage in active listening by focusing on the speaker, maintaining eye contact, and nodding or providing verbal cues to show your interest. This helps create a positive and engaging conversation. Ask open-ended questions. Open-ended questions encourage the other person to share more about themselves, their experiences, or their opinions. It allows for a deeper level of engagement beyond surface-level topics. Practice empathy. Try to understand the other person's perspective and show genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. This can help create a connection and make the conversation more meaningful. Find common ground. Look for shared interests or experiences that can serve as a foundation for conversation. Identifying common ground helps create a sense of connection and can lead to more engaging discussions. Small talk may seem like a trivial aspect of our daily lives, but it plays a significant role in social interactions. While some individuals excel at small talk, Others may struggle due to various factors, such as personality traits, anxiety, or cultural differences. By understanding the psychology behind small talk and employing strategies to improve our skills, we can enhance our social interactions and build stronger connections with others. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of psychology. If you have any suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the fascinating realm of the human mind.